Hello everyone, welcome to Grey Pot. Making fresh bread might be stressful, but trust me when I say that this recipe is really simple. Every week you'll be baking your own bread. Before moving on to the recipe, click the red subscribe button if you have not subscribed to Grey Pot and click the bell icon to get all new updates and notifications from our channel. First, take a large bowl. Into that add in some warm water, and here I'm using some honey. Instead of this you can use powdered sugar. Then add in some instant dry yeast and some salt and mix it really well. If you're using regular dry yeast, let it aside for a while to proof before adding the rest of the ingredients. Now add in some room temperature butter and whole wheat flour. Mix it really well. Mix all the ingredients really well with your hands. Once the flour is well incorporated, take that onto your countertop and start kneading. You have to knead the dough really well for around 15 to 20 minutes until the dough becomes really soft. This will help the gluten to get activated and it'll make the bread really soft. Once the dough becomes really soft, transfer that onto a greased bowl and cover it and keep it aside on a warm place for proofing. And once it gets double in size, take that again onto your countertop. Now spread the dough according to the size of your bread tin. And after spreading, start rolling the dough from one end to other. And place this onto the greased bread tin. Cover it again with the greased cling film and keep it aside for around 40 to 45 minutes. Now you can see it has proofed really well and just filled in the bread tin. Here I'm applying some egg wash, but you can also give a milk wash so that you'll get that nice brown shade at the top of the bread. Now bake this in 180-degree preheated oven for 30 to 35 minutes and our delicious wheat bread is ready. Immediately after baking, brush some butter on top of this bread. This will give a nice glaze and also softens the bread. Keep the bread in the bread tin itself for 5 to 10 minutes and then transfer that onto a wire rack. And let the bread loaf cools down completely before you cut the bread into slices. Once the bread has cooled down completely, take a bread knife or a very sharp knife and start cutting the bread slices. Look at that, our beautiful and delicious wheat bread is ready. Look at the softness and the texture of each bread slice. It looks and tastes exactly like the store-bought bread. It feels really great when you have these freshly baked, warm, homemade bread. You can use this to make sandwiches or just simply have it with a hot cup of tea. So do try this out and leave your valuable comments and suggestions in the comment section below. Follow us on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter and Pinterest. Click the logo to subscribe to Grey Pot and watch more interesting recipes from our channel. Do check it out. Thank you.